An unexpected turn of events unfolds as a UK judge refuses an appeal from former US President Donald Trump. This case has its roots in an intriguing mix of international law and personal grievances. The appeal in question is not your everyday legal matter, but one that involves a high-profile personality and complex legal issues. At the heart of this case is Trump, a business magnate turned politician, seeking redress from a decision that didn't go in his favor. The nature of the appeal? Well, it's as intricate as the man himself. It stems from a dispute that is as multifaceted as any Trump's been involved in, touching on everything from business interests to political implications. The parties involved are no less significant, including the former president himself, his legal team, and a UK judge whose decision has now thrown a wrench into Trump's plans. The context of this appeal is equally compelling. Trump sought the appeal under circumstances that, to many, seemed to blur the line between his business dealings and his political ambitions. The reason behind it, while not entirely clear, seems to hinge on a desire to overturn a decision he perceives as unjust. The decision of the UK judge has taken many by surprise, setting the stage for a series of dramatic events. The ruling by the UK judge was clear and unequivocal, leaving no room for ambiguity. In a decisive move, the judge applied well-established legal principles to the case, resulting in a refusal of Trump's appeal. The reasoning was straightforward. It hinged on the fundamental tenets of justice and fairness, underpinned by international law. The judge's decision was not just about the case at hand, but a broader affirmation of the rule of law, regardless of the personalities involved. This judgment sparked a significant reaction from both the legal community and the public. Legal scholars have lauded the decision as a reaffirmation of the independence and integrity of the judiciary. Meanwhile, the public's reactions have been mixed, with some celebrating the decision as a victory for justice, while others view it as a politically motivated move. The ruling has sent shockwaves across the globe, prompting a flurry of reactions from different quarters. Never one to back down from a fight, Trump and his team responded swiftly to the judge's decision. Unsurprisingly, Trump didn't mince words, expressing his disappointment and questioning the integrity of the judgment. His legal team, ever ready for a battle, echoed his sentiments and signaled their intention to explore every possible legal recourse. They highlighted the potential for an appeal to a higher court, suggesting that this battle is far from over. Trump's reaction wasn't merely a display of defiance, it was a calculated move designed to rally his supporters and cast doubt on the fairness of the process. His legal team's strategy was clear. They sought to turn the tide of public opinion in their favor, potentially influencing any future proceedings. The response left no room for doubt. Trump and his team are not going down without a fight. They have made it clear that they are willing to exhaust every legal avenue in their quest for what they believe to be justice. Trump's response to the judgment has added a new dimension to the ongoing saga, raising questions about his next move. The judgment has implications that reach far beyond the courtroom, potentially affecting the political landscape. This ruling may cast a shadow over Trump's political future, and could influence his standing with voters. A legal setback of this magnitude cannot be overlooked and is likely to be used by political opponents to question his credibility and leadership abilities. As we move closer to the election season, this judgment could become a significant talking point. It might not only influence Trump's campaign strategy, but also sway the opinion of undecided voters. The extent of its impact, however, remains to be seen. Political analysts and experts are keeping a close eye on the situation, trying to gauge its potential implications. Some argue that it could weaken Trump's position, while others believe that it might rally his base, instigating a stronger show of support. The aftermath of this judgment also poses questions about the broader implications for American politics. It underscores the importance of judicial decisions in shaping the political narrative, and reiterates that no one, not even the most powerful, is above the law. The judgment has stirred up the political pot, leaving everyone wondering about its impact on the future of American politics. As the dust settles on this dramatic event, many questions remain unanswered. We've delved into the crux of the case, dissected the judge's refusal of Trump's appeal, and analyzed Trump's subsequent response. We've also explored the potential ramifications this could have on his political standing and voter sentiment. Now we're left to ponder the road ahead. For Trump and his team, the next steps are uncertain. They may choose to regroup and re-strategize, or perhaps they will take this legal setback as a cue to change their approach entirely. The potential long-term effects of this judgment are equally hard to predict. It could be a momentary blip in Trump's political career, or it could be a turning point that fundamentally alters his trajectory. What we do know is this. The ripples of this judgment have already begun to spread, touching the corners of political discourse and sparking intense debate. Only time will reveal the true impact of this judgment, but one thing is clear: it has left an indelible mark on the world of politics.